My name is Katisha Pendergrass. I'm from Portland, Oregon, and I just took the 3-day braiding and locking workshop. So traveling to Detroit in February was a little bit tenuous. My flight was canceled, but I still made it, and Fame made allowances for me so that I could still take the class and get everything I needed. So the trip to Detroit was still good. It was worth it. So I think this workshop is really beneficial because it's personal and because you don't know what you don't know. I've been braiding for a long time, and I've been doing things that I thought were correct, and just couldn't get it right. But this workshop really gave me the opportunity to have somebody look at my technique and say, this is right, this is not right. This workshop actually gave me the opportunity to learn things with what people are doing out in the industry, the different things that customers are asking for. Having somebody that I know is a professional that can teach me and can show me the right way to do things, can evaluate what I do and how I do it right or wrong, and really help me through getting good technique is another reason why I definitely felt it was worth it to come and take a workshop.